Yo. Today's Tuesday. Got news coming out at 10. And yeah, I think we're pretty bullish today. Sweeping 4-hour lows right here, and then we're not taking out here. Could have a really quick and easy SMT form here. I'm gonna need some help with my targets though. There we go. So we could have, here's the SMT. These lows right here, they're kind of equal lows too, relatively equal lows. Swept this one in pre-market, just swept this one just now, and we're tapped into a 4-hour gap. We kind of went through 4-hour gaps, but we're not touching this liquidity. Could have an SMT off those lows. It's kind of, I don't really want to trade. I'd rather not trade against the trend, but it is what it is if it happens. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one out. It's a little confusing. And yeah, I would get in like immediately if this looks good, and target. I mean, what do we got here? Liquidity wise, we don't really have anything past this 4-hour gap plus the hourly low, which we swept both of them and had already having pretty nice reaction out of it. And then there's so much liquidity resting to the upside. Yeah, we'll see how this closes. And it'd be nice to get in early because the news comes out at 10. So really, I want to trade after news comes out, but this is an SMT if it forms here. Broke structure already. Prioritize this index. This is moving nicely, and there's not really liquidity you can go and take out of there. I could also target 5-minute fair value gaps. There's not a single one really, except there's a 5-minute high right here. I could like not greedy take out that one. Take out these maybe, depending on my RR, and then there's this 5-minute gap right here. So those will be some of my targets if I can get in right now. Or literally you can go just right here. It depends, especially on our retracement here. But it looks good. I should actually get an entry on time if we get a confluence here. But this looks really good. Super good reaction off 4-hour gap and hourly high. That looks really, really good. But, you know, I'd rather tag the leading index as much as this one looks a lot better. I'd rather take this one out. Although it kind of looks weird in terms of being kind of ahead of the bell here. But, you know, that's what it is. Okay, got equilibrium here. See if we retrace into it. It looks like we're going to. Yeah, I'm probably gonna target a really non-ambitious target here, given that we have news. That's probably what I want to do. Yeah, I want to get in this. All right, I'm in. I got in a little bit early. I forgot for a closure out of equilibrium. But I'm pretty sure we hit an order block instead. So if we close out of this order block, it's valid, but you know, I should have probably waited for the trade to be a little bit safer and an actual closure out of it. I didn't do that, but it's looking like we should get it. Good movement. I like this equal highs relatively. I'm not loving this right now. It's weird. Let's see, there's a 5-minute gap here, small one. And we just filled it. So hopefully we're not reacting off of it right now, but I would hope not, since we inversed the gap here. I feel pretty good about this. No gap here, targeting closest 5-minute high. I mean, it's a setup for sure. I just hope it hits before 10. Before news drops. But we have good bullish momentum off this. Like we kind of came up immediately. Haven't spent much time in drawdown. I feel like this is a pretty, this feels like a feel-good trade, and I just hope it doesn't last too long. I don't think it should. That's why I wasn't ambitious in my targets, but I never know. Perfect 2RR. We're just like consolidating before news drops. Bit concerning. Nice, good moves up. If we close above this high up here, I'm gonna move stops to probably break even. Funny enough, it looks like we're doing way better on NASDAQ right now. ES is really messing this up for us. Maybe I should have taken it on the lagging index. Jesus Christ. I kind of want to just, if I am in this trade, I'll probably, if I'm still in it by the time news comes out, I'll probably want to close it early. But like, we're ripping upwards here, and we're in drawdown on ES. Interesting. I mean, I'll take the movement. Interesting. Okay, it's good momentum. I'll probably move stops to this low if we close in 9 drawdown. All right, if we're okay. All right. I don't think there's any need to go lower than that. Wow. All right. Can't complain. As weird as this price action may seem, I'm okay with it. If we can close bullish here, I kind of want to go break even. Yeah. Or break even. So. See how the trade runs. Great movement off of that, sweeping that low. That was really nice. After that massive candle, I don't really see a reason why we should go lower. Personally, but you never know. Good moves. Looking good. Just need a 5-minute high. Yo, there's a chance that I'm like this close to passing my eval off that beauty of a trade. Perfect setup. This was super concerning. Beautiful stop loss though. Could have targeted way higher. We're not ambitious. We're not gonna be greedy before news. Break even off this closure. We entered at 940 and close at 950. Perfect setup. Go ahead and write that in. So by the way, in my journal, I haven't done anything, uploaded anything or anything. My journal so far, the month of August, started a little late in terms of documenting this, started the 8th, but this is pretty much a month of data. First day that month, I'm actually profitable, about 60% win rate, only 16 trades, but from the 8th to now, that's not even that bad. But yeah, starting off September with a nice win, slightly bullish, bang. So our bias was correct, at least for the trade. That was a 2RR, and we entered at 940. Minutes later, perfect, right before news. Now I can sit back, get back on the 5-minute chart, wait for news, and if there's something, I might be able to get in again. But if I'm at 53K, all right, so I'm $55 away from passing this account. So hopefully we can take care of that today. We'll see.